Hey guys, it's Jacob. You may recognize me from such YouTube videos as I snap my frame at Tulsa Tough. All jokes aside, it's Jacob, your favorite Cat 3 with a dad bod. Guys, I got my new frame. That's all I got because I sold everything. It's really all I could afford was just a frame. So I have a really nice frame, the 2022 Specialized Allez Sprint Frameset. That's all I got. Yeah. We'll talk about the details after the video. Guys, y'all check out some really sweet bike porn. Can I say bike porn on YouTube? Are they gonna cancel my account? Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy some Shiner Bock because we're in Texas. Y'all check out the frame. See you in a minute. All right, y'all. Hope you enjoyed that. This thing is absolutely beautiful. For almost it was $1,894 shipped to my house in Texas. Okay, I went with the Chameleon color. It's like a Chameleon oil tint, I believe is what they call it. Online, it looked a little different, but it comes out as like a bluish green, to be honest. It does kind of. Okay, I'm back. We're in Texas. There's diesel trucks driving around. I mean, that thing was loud. Okay. Yeah, Chameleon oil tint. I don't know if y'all can see it in the color of my fluorescent lighting here in my garage, but it's like a bluish green oil tint. Through axles, it took me a few minutes to figure out how these work because mine have levers. These do not. They use I believe a 6 mil Allen wrench. Cool. All right, there's the fork. Beautiful. Let's set that down gently. Came with a box of goodies, miscellaneous parts. I'm only sure what to do with like half those, okay? Probably has to do with the fork. Yeah, this is definitely like the fork stem assembly. Some plastic tubes. I'm sure these have to do with the cables that are a little more aerodynamically routed than what I'm used to riding, but I'm so pumped about that. Really am. Okay, and y'all, check it out. This thing is freaking beautiful. Okay, the S-Works seat post, boom, boom, boom. Okay, through axle on the back, right? Disc brakes. Yeah, even the bolts for the bottle cages say Specialized. I'm so excited. Maybe that's gonna be the thumbnail. I don't know. What do y'all think? Yeah, okay. Hey, anyway, guys, I'm gonna build this thing up. I'm slowly saving enough money for parts. So if y'all don't mind, for the love of goodness, like and subscribe to my channel right now. Just go find that. I don't even know where the subscribe button is, but I need you to click it because, again, I need wheels. I have like almost enough for the drivetrain saved up. I'm gonna go with Rival. We're doing 1X on this bad boy because it's gonna be a crit machine, because that's what I am, a crit machine. Look at those arms. Y'all can't have arms like this and not be a crit machine. Anyway, I don't care if you don't like my videos. I'm kidding. Like, subscribe, guys. I'm gonna get out of here, and hopefully the next one we'll be putting some stuff together. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See y'all next time. Later.